So every day I'm giving you prompts that you can add to your AI twin so you can get different looks like a virtual photo shoot. So what I'm going to do is just jump on live here and show you exactly how it all goes down. So let me share my screen here with you, and I am going to. So the first thing, where do we find everything? I find most of them on this bananaprompts.xyz. So if you just look right here, bananaprompts.xyz. So here you can scroll through a bunch of different looks. So today, let's go with this one here. And then what I'm going to do is jump over to Gemini. So Google's Gemini. Again, if you have a Gmail account, it's free. So you just go Gemini, and then it'll be gemini.google.com. And you're in here free. Try it if you want. So I'll just paste in the prompt that I just pulled out. So you just want to just double check that when you look at the prompts, like this guy, they'll probably say something about his beard. I don't have a beard. So you just want to just comb through the prompt here and just make sure for facial features, sitting casually, my left elbow is raised, my right arm good, my legs are bent, my gaze is direct. So usually I'm wearing turtleneck, layered coat. My trousers are black fitted. Oh, I guess there's nothing about his facial features. So just another thing too you want to add is when it says like you want to just add in the man in the attached picture. So then you just want to attach a picture here. So I'm just going to upload a file here. Uh, this one, my headshot there. So I'm just going to say boom, go. And you'll just see I'm not going to fast forward or anything. This is all in real time. You see how fast it works. I've used the thinking model, so that might be a little bit slower. So you can do fast, which is a lot faster, but it's still not bad at all. And this is like the daily prompts that I'm dropping here in our AI Creator HQ community. So here are the daily prompts that I drop for you guys. And I'm writing the prompt in. This was yesterday, and then brought that to life. If you guys want to see some more videos, just let me know. And I can show you how we create videos from the photos. It's super easy. So let's jump into Gemini. Oh, and there we go. Boom. And there's the picture. We got it. First try. So sometimes you'll get it first try, sometimes you won't get it first try. With Gemini's thinking model, usually you'll get it first try, but if you haven't signed up for an account, it is not free. Well, it is free to like to get a bunch of generations, but the thinking model, this one here, that one, you'll run into it where it will ask you to upgrade. But if you just use the fast model, you can generate a ton of these. I think even like dozens, more than dozens. Do them here. So if I ever run into where I can't use them anymore, I'll show you my workaround. But yeah, that's it. So today, this is the look I have for today, how I do it every day. Just go to Banana Prompts, bananaprompts.xyz, and you get just unlimited. Well, there's not unlimited, but a lot of them. So here you just go to explore more looks, explore trending prompts, and then you can get a whole bunch more. So I've used this one here in our group. I've used this one here. I'm a Leo, so I use this lion one as well. I use this one here. I've used that for my Instagram. So it's just a great place. You get it, and you can, I mean, there's hundreds of them. what I typically like to do is I'll just put in the search, I'll just put like man or woman. So for myself, I'll just put man. And then that way I just don't get as many women popping up, just because it makes more sense for me to just have man stuff for me. But if you're doing it for somebody else, you can do that. I've never even gone into the paid version of this, but they have so many free ones. You're good to go. All right, so that's how I do the prompts. So I'm going to jump on here again this week and show you for the next day. Thanks a bunch, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.